Hi, if you're a spiritually minded woman entrepreneur and you're really ready to expand your business again, really make that bigger impact and really create greater and greater and greater levels of pure wealth, true wealth, financially, with your family, with fun and rest and relaxation, so that you scale your business with simplicity and ease and really live that entrepreneur lifestyle that you quit your corporate job for, right? And so everything that I teach is about activating your soul's money making genius. And that's way more than your job or, yeah, I know I'm here to um, be a creative leader. Oh, I know I'm here to organize. There's a lot more to your soul's purpose and personality that when you identify it and you really tap into it, the expansion of personal power, of empowerment, of that leaning back of the divine feminine becomes effortless. It becomes simple and easy. But what gets in the way is this concept of sabotage. And so once a month, I'm offering this Soul Genius Sabotage workshop that identifies the major resistances that get in the way anytime you want to expand into something bigger, into something greater, and to have a big, hairy goal that you want, whether it's with the business impact or with money or with the relationships that you have at home or at work. Maybe you're really good at home, but what's going on in your business is kind of catastrophic right now, or vice versa. Story, or you've got a money story challenge that just cropped up and you hear in your mind, ever since X, Y, and Z happened, I can't seem to create like I used to be able to, right? And so those are all symptoms of sabotage. And so once a month, I offer a free workshop that outlines them all out. And then this springboards into a paid program that's offered the week afterwards. And on this page, if you scroll down below, there's a list of topics of different milestones in really activating and mastering your soul's money making genius. Some of them are pure sabotage related, right? And some of them are pure, oh, I didn't know I could focus on this. I didn't know that this part of my consciousness, of my subconscious, of my energy system, of the blueprint of my soul is can really be optimized in this direction. And that's everything I teach. That's what I do. That's what I love to do. And it's like genius for me. It's easy. So sign up, come to my free workshop, find out what the biggest resistances are, and how you can move forward from there. Um, yay. Thanks for watching. Sending love, sending light, sending laughter your way. Have a most marvelous day.